guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is totally different. I haven't done these in a long time, but this video, it's the first of its kind because I just started a new subscription and it is called the Glow Addict Beauty Box right here. So I came across this on Instagram, and of course there's a lot of subscriptions out there that are just popping up and everything. But what really caught my eye was that they are all full-size products and they have two options for you to subscribe. They have the bag, which is $13.99 per month, or you have the box, which is $18.99. The box has more product in it. The Glow Addict Beauty Box has 5 to 7 products, and these products are from new indie brands that they want to showcase and for everyone to try. And it's just, you know, again, it just really perked my interest. I was really impressed by just some of the boxes that they had posted and stuff. So let's get it right into it because this is just amazing. Okay, the first thing that came out of the box is this this Lashy box. Of course it's upside down. This Lashy box makeup removing cloth. Now this is valued at $5, and it says that you dampen the towel to remove the makeup with no other products needed. So this is really interesting to see how this works. The next item that I am pulling out of the box is the May Glossy AF. This is a highly pigmented gloss that has just released and will be among the first people to try this gloss, so I'm very excited. Before I move on, this is valued at $18, so not so bad. The next item that I'm going to be pulling out is the JackyLuv Lash. It says that this is their favorite vegan queen's new line of cruelty-free lashes, and those lashes are valued at $15. And the next thing that I'm going to show you is, which is always my favorite, I can always use a palette, and any subscription that has a palette in there, I'm all for it. Anyway, so this is the Crown 16 color Chroma palette, and this is valued at $12, and I want you to see these beautiful colors. I really like the color story in this palette. It's really nice. There are some matte shades, there are some shimmer shades with some of the a little bit more chunkier shimmer, but they're just beautiful. This is a very beautiful palette, and I can't wait until I dip in this. The next thing is the Sorme Velvet Lip and Cheek Stick. Now it says use this on your lips or your cheeks to enhance and create amazing pops of color. Of course I had it upside down. So it is a velvet stick, so I'm curious to see. I've had velvet sticks before. I never really used them. I just gave them away, but I'm definitely going to try this and see how this works. The last thing is the Sonia Kashuk Black Diamond Twist Up Longwear Gel Liner, and this is really interesting because it's black diamond. So let's see how it rolls. Oh, look at that. So it's very pigmented, but you could see the black diamonds in there. It's just really nice. So I'm very interested. And that actually really glide on smoothly on my hand, so we'll try it out on the eyes. That is valued at $10. Then we have the Naked Cosmetics Banana Finishing Powder, and this powder sets your makeup to help keep you looking flawless all day. And this is this little guy, and this is in the color Banana. This is valued at $23. So really this whole box, it's not so bad. It's all valued over $100. So this is definitely something that I'm very excited to try. So if you are interested in watching this first impression of this box plus try on, please keep watching. So I put my hair in this snood. It's really comfortable and I like putting it on as I'm doing my makeup because I hate it when my hair gets all over my face. Taking my Morphe E27 with this color right here. So far this is pretty pigmented. The only thing that I do see is there is some kickback. I don't know if you could see it right there. You could see that there's some kickback. Then I'm gonna go in this teal color right here. The Vintage Step 1 for the Money brush. It's like this little shader brush, and just apply some of that there. Definitely not as pigmented and opaque as the other color. Let's see if we could build that up. Then with that E27 brush that I used to apply that yellow goldish color, I'm just gonna blend out the edges to soften out. Not impressed with this teal color. It's just not very opaque and not very, I mean, it's blending out. It's just that I keep adding more and it just seems like it disappears. I'm not sure if it's because I added the yellow first and maybe I should have just added the green first. I'm not sure what's going on, but it is what it is. We'll keep moving. Since I'm not happy with that teal color, we're gonna go in with this. It's like a shimmery teal color. And we're gonna try that and see if that'll just kind of even out the teal and see how this goes. It's on the brush, but it's not going onto my lid. I'm gonna spray it. Okay, the spray is definitely helping. Just not sure. Just feel like I'm creating this hot mess of an eye look here. Feel like I'm sinking down. Okay, I think I'm gonna use my finger and see if that works a lot better than the brush. It definitely is a lot better. Oh wow, so the finger definitely does give me more of a payoff here, and I do love that color. Okay, now I'm gonna take a Clorox wipe. I'm gonna take a wipe and I'm just gonna clean up the bottom. I don't want it too sharp, so what I am gonna do is I'm gonna use my finger and kind of just soften the edges here. I don't want it too sharp. Since we know that we have to use our finger to apply some of these shimmer colors, I'm gonna use this beautiful gold shimmer look here. Oh my, do you see this? I just swiped it twice, literally just twice. Okay, so let's see. This is the most beautiful yellow gold, just beautiful. Oh, I'm so in love, I'm so in love, I'm so in love. Okay, now taking the Sonia Kashuk Black Diamond Roll-Up Longwear Liner, I'm gonna apply that on the top. I usually use a liquid liner, but I think I'm gonna use this on the top. It glides on very smoothly. Okay, the next thing that I'm gonna take from the box is this Naked HD Finishing Powder. As you can see, and this is in the color Banana. I'm gonna apply that underneath my eyes now that I put my foundation and my concealer, and apply it in other areas of my face. Whoa, shaking it up is not working. So I like using the Morphe M531 brush. It's very fluffy, although it does shed, I could see, but it's shedding a lot less now that I've been using a lot more. But it's nice and fluffy, and it's very gentle around my 40-something-year-old skin. So, okay, so far so good. It's a really nice powder. Okay, now that I did that, I am gonna go back into the eyes, and I'm gonna use that Black Diamond liner from Sonia Kashuk, and then I'm gonna apply some of that on the bottom lash line. Some of that, just a tad bit, and then I'm gonna blend it out with that little brush we used to apply some of the teal. We're gonna go in with the JackyLuv Foam Ink Lashes, and this is in the Lashes Storm. So pretty. These were a little hard when I took them out of the case, but all I did was I just basically bended it just so that it can kind of break up whatever glue that they used. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Okay, I'm gonna put the other lash on, so I'll be right back. Okay, the next thing that I took out of the box is the Sorme Lip and Cheek Velvet Stick, and this is in the color Naughty. I'm going to try it. So here's what it looks like. Really cute packaging here. I like how it's black. It is a very beautiful color. I mean, I don't know if you could see it. Come on, focus, my dear, focus. Okay, take the Morphe R14 brush. I'm just gonna swirl it around, and hopefully that'll give enough to apply. It just gives that hint of color, and it's a very beautiful, oh wow. Okay, the last product in this box is the Ruby May Glossy AF, and this is in the color Santa Barbara. It's this mauve color. It's pretty pigmented for a gloss, wow. Well, it's definitely a very pretty color and I really like it. And you know, it does feel like the typical gloss, but it doesn't feel too heavy, which is nice. Okay, so my final thoughts on this box. I am very pleased by this first box ever that I have subscribed to. I am just really impressed by everything that was in there. I was a little bit nervous about the palette just because it wasn't really, well, the one color, I can't say the rest of the colors, the one teal color was giving me a little bit of a hard time, but I worked it out and I figured out another way to apply that teal color. And so, but everything was really great. I'm very impressed. Would I recommend it for, you know, for you to subscribe? Yes, I would. It's an amazing box for the price. So if this is something that you have never ever heard of, I will leave their link down in the description box, and let me know if this perked up your interest in this box and if something that you would probably subscribe. Either way, let me know. And if you have this box, let me know too. So, and yeah, that's it. That's my review and my first impression. I was very impressed. So please, please, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and please like this video. It really gives me some more information whether my audience likes this type of video or not, if you know, or whatever, but it would greatly help me. So until the next one, we'll see you. Ciao.